Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you is always well. Today I will make again the video of my trade which I'm done on the 25 July 2022, which is Monday. And because I'm not have time in the Monday, so I will make the feedback video today. And also I will upload the live trade today. So it's like accumulation of the 3 days, so I will upload all of my trade. So on Monday I just lost all my trade, so 3 trade 3 loss, which is 0% winning ratio, so it's bad. And then let's see why it's happened and what I can learn, and probably you can learn from my mistake. And let's see the option number 1. Okay, here I'm doing a buy option with a very good entry point. Okay, but actually the candle just closed exactly on the entry. Maybe this is also because of the digital, or I don't know, but it's the reality. So let's just analyze, because our analysis of my analysis here was not good or wrong. So before I'm entering here, what I'm thinking, so this candle happened, okay, and then I'm seeing like this, guys. Okay, what is this? That is the inverted bullish hammer, and here was the kind of bearish in the 3 candlestick, and here was level of 61.8 Fibonacci level. And what I'm expecting in my brain, it will be some kind of bullish here, or in the next 3 they can make a bullish candle. Okay, because probably I'm thinking that this will be a fake breakout of 61.8 Fibonacci level because of this kind of trend. But what really happened, it's down. Why it's down? Not like this. Okay, why? Because of what that I'm missing is this kind of EMA. Okay, you see 150 and 200, it's in the same line. Okay, that is why there will no uptrend, because starting from here they will make a doji. Okay, or if a small bearish or bullish candle, doesn't matter, it's a doji. Okay, because this is actually the major consolidation that is hitting me there. So that is for the lesson, for you, for me. Okay, and this technique that I'm using is, there is no technique, guys. So it's like against also the dark cloud cover here possibility. Okay, but in the actual trade, my brain is not thinking about that. My brain thinking about this inverted bullish hammer, so it's kind of inverse. Okay, because we expect it's going up, but it's down. But what I missed here was this context, the major. And because the major, if the consolidation, the price must be have a doji or make a doji. So this is also possible reason that I missed, that make this trade is lost. Why? Because we combine 3 candle, and here was bearish, so this is some kind of breakout. And then this is inverted bullish hammer. It's actually not a bullish for a strong buying pressure. It's could be a BAM or something like this, a consolidation here. Okay, because this is happen, this is a level of EMAs, all EMA was below. So that is something that we have to know, learn from this mistake, and try to avoid this kind of trade in the next session, especially when we find something like consolidation in the major context. Okay, the major context was consolidate, so this happening. It should be, if this strong up, then it should be going up, but it's not because the consolidation effect. Okay, so here basically the consolidation area, which is not good area for the trade. But if we understand, we also can do, for example, this kind of candlestick. Okay, we know there is a breakout, and we know there is also possibility of a fake breakout or the possibility of a selling pressure, and we have to know both of the evidence. And once appear this one, so this is kind of the selling pressure. Okay, so here we still like following the minnow trend. Why? Because the consolidation. And here is the evidence that this is consolidation. Okay, this candle is probably a consolidation, not down. Because why? Because if this was the bearish hammer, you see why this candlestick should be like that, should be like make some kind of fake breakout. Okay, or a bullish, because the bearish hammer, it should resulting the bearish. Okay, so that is the candle that can we read, and we should enter in the third candle, not in the first and the second candle, but in the third. Okay, because when the first one appears, it could be down, it could be like this, we don't know. But here we have a confirmation that this is not working, and will happen a consolidation around this. So that is my brain not thinking when I'm trade, because I don't know why, because that is not the like not see very much evidence. Okay, it's like not think clearly, because even the technique there was not the reversal pattern in there. So why I'm against the trend? Okay, but that is the number one that's possible good for the reason. Or maybe this kind of brain is only looking for a reason. Let's see in the next. So this is the number two. The number two again, losing trade. Okay, so I'm here expecting only a retracement because of the level of the 23.6 in this kind of condition. Okay, this is a big upper bearish upper lower shadow, small but same size. And yes, this happening, and who knows. Okay, it should be bearish. It's a gambling. Okay, it can be bullish, can be bearish. This trade should not be done. Okay, or we have to avoid this kind of candlestick, because this is also means a strong when a breakout all the EMA. That is what not in my brain at the time when the live trade. I'm just expecting like, well, that is the week. Okay, so now we probably find the relation between the week, okay, and the context, guys. Okay, because when we have something like this, okay, upper and lower shadow candle, big. Okay, so in my brain it's like, okay, that is a weak candle, have upper and lower shadow. Okay, but that will just like a shortcut, not analyzing another segment of the context and what this candlestick is doing. Okay, that makes the decision is too early. Okay, so this like too early decision to put a result that here will be some kind of retracement bullish only based on two evidences: big candle, upper and lower shadow, weak candle that is not weak, if something like this. Okay, so now we think that why this candlestick is not weak. First, this candle is have a possibility for weak and have a possibility also not weak. Why? Because it's breaking all the strong EMA like 200, 100. That means it's also not so weak. Okay, and the context is like making a consolidation, a doji. Okay, this is the confirmation that this kind of context or the EMA formation will make a doji or something like that. You see, a doji, or even you count from this, it's a bullish but it's small. It's like back to the source. Okay, that is, guys. So don't think that upper and lower shadow, big candlestick, it's always will be happen a retracement, okay, or even a fake breakout, because this is only the first candlestick. That is the reason. So very risky that this condition will different if we have another bearish here. Okay, so if like that, bearish big upper lower shadow here hit this level, and then we can make a higher probability that this is will be bullish. But in this condition, bullish, bam, this is a breakout. So a breakout will often resulting a weak candle, and a weak candle, it's also mean the possibility not a weak candle but a strong retracement. Okay, like a strong retracement continuation. Okay, it's like this is the strong bearish retracement of this breakout, because they will continue because of the context, consolidate, make a doji. Okay, that is why the 23.6 it's not working. So that's the number 2. Now the number 3 come the next expectation, wrong expectation. Okay, because why? Because again, this kind of context ranging, bam, bearish. Okay, drop or break, retrace, break. This is 61.8. and what I'm thinking here, like, okay, I'm like aware this is kind of strong. Okay, because this is resulting not a bullish but a bearish, so this is could be strong, and my expectation was here. And then what happening? Bam, 61.8 is holding the price to a pullback. So this condition, what I missed, that it's also could be some pullback possibility here, or some bullish. Okay, and that bullish could be like this, because I'm entering safe here, guys. It's like in the 38.2 that I'm trying. Okay, but it's appears here. So this like bam, like fake. Okay, like fake breakout of the 38.2, and it's like making a pushing line pattern retracement to the 38.2, you see, and then here continuation. But here it's a reversal for a pullback. Okay, so that is what I'm not understanding, because in this kind of area it's also could be happening like that if the price is strongly break 38.2, 50 and 61.8 Fibonacci level without any kind of retracement bullish here. So this is risky. We should enter here, but okay, that's it. Okay, so this is, guys, the third was the not again thinking like the possibility of lose momentum, because the context is like this, and we just sorry, I'm just doing, not we but me, I'm just doing a continuation here, expecting here a doji or something like bearish strong down. Okay, but that is doesn't happen because the price need a pullback, and this is very risky when you find a consolidation and the price suddenly break the 38.2 61.8. okay, it could be happening like this. What we should do was uh, wait here. Okay, make sure here that the 38.2 is doing retracement, and do call option here will be good, and then the next will be waiting for the trend to going down or continuing up. So that is the lesson for the number 3. Don't do a continuation when you have a 3 black cross. Okay, this is like 3 black cross in this kind of consolidation. 3 black cross, bam, 3 black cross, bam. Okay, it's easy to say, guys, but it's not easy to implement. Okay, thank you, guys. So this is the first day. The first day is all loss, 0%. Okay, the second was the second technique was a kind of fake breakout. Yes, the third was continuation, so it's end up in the bad situation. So this is the summary, guys, so you can read later when this project was finished by 29 July 2022, and I'm finishing 30 days. We'll finishing the 30 days with the 3 entry with no extra trade or extra training. Okay, demo account, it's all in the real account, and I'm not using demo and the real. So let's see in another 2 days, and we now in this day, today 27, it's just lost about $4 from the actual. Okay, starting with the 29 again and end up again in the 25. Well, who knows. Okay, thank you, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. Bye bye.